Well, hello, my lovelies. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. So today, you guys, I have such a good position for you guys today. So this position, you guys, is fully remote, no degree required, you guys. And also, this is one of those recession-proof jobs. This comes directly from the insurance company, Liberty Mutual. It pays $189,000 for a really simple job, you guys. So we are going to get right into this video right now. But y'all know I love my shout outs of the day. Okay, so the shout outs of the day, we got Miss Demisha W, you guys. She used the resume rewrite kit, and girl, I'm just really, I'm not even lying. I am so proud of you. I'm going to say that to you personally. She used that resume rewrite kit, you guys. She rewrote her experiences and she rewrote her skills. She sold herself, okay? That is why I made the resume rewrite kit. That kit is going to get you a professional resume in under 10 minutes, you guys. So she rewrote her skills and you guys, she marketed herself. That is what that resume rewrite kit does. I'm literally telling you everything that you need to put on your resume, okay? I am so in love with it. Okay, so Mr. Misha W, I am proud of you, girly. Miss Maria H, I am proud of you as well because your story is amazing and we will get to yours in the next video. But that she got an offer for 156. Mr. LaShawn K, he used the resume rewrite kit, you guys, and he got 142. You guys, that when I tell you, I am so proud of you guys using the kit and you get oh my god, using the kit to rewrite your skills and experiences. You are the ones that I created that kit for. So I am so thankful and glad that you have used it and that you got the position that you deserve. Okay? So those are the shout outs of the day. But the inspiration of the day, you guys. I love this inspiration of the day. Okay. And this is what I want you to put in the chat box, okay? So the inspiration of the day is I will reach out for every good thing that is destined for me, okay? I will walk firm and unafraid in the course that God has for me, okay? Because I am a strong believer. I am a super strong believer that God has a plan for all of us, okay? And it's up to us to follow that direction, you guys. It's up to us to follow. So, you guys, like I said, go get that resume rewrite session. Rewrite your resume, you guys. Rewrite your resume so that you can land these jobs. These jobs are amazing. And I say this in every video because I see it in real life. I don't want you to experience. I don't want you to experience being evicted. I don't want you to experience having your car repo. I don't want you to experience just what this world wants for us. I want you to take control of your destiny, okay? Take control. All right, you guys. So those are the shout outs of the day. Y'all go pick up that resume rewrite session because it is so good, you guys. It is so good, and I created that just for you. Even if you don't have the skills, even if you don't have the experience, get the resume rewrite session because I have created your experience. I have created your skills. I have created your bios, your summaries. I created everything that you need. The template kit is also in there, and this is an edible template. So you can use this to tailor your resume for every job that you have. This is not a one-time thing. This is something that you're going to keep for a lifetime. Okay, you guys, so let's jump right into the video right now. So they are looking for a complex claims unit manager, you guys. So please do not tell me that this job is hard because once I get into this job, you guys are going to be like, goodness, okay? So this job starts off, it's a full-time job. This job starts off at $117,000, but it goes up to $189,000, you guys. And to be honest, Liberty Mutual hires, I'm going to show you in this video, they hire people with little to no experience. But the only thing is they're hiring for skill, you guys. They are hiring for skills. So that's why I tell you guys, in my virtual rewrite session, it is all about those skills, okay? It is all about those skills. You guys, literally, you guys, go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite your skills and put in on this job. I had one client, she put in for Liberty Mutual. She got a call back within like a week, you guys, and she got the job. So she got this job. She got the other jobs that I have posted for Liberty Mutual, you guys. So that's how I know they are hiring, and they're hiring in a big way, you guys. But let's get right into the job description right now. It says the description: manages the day-to-day operations of a complex claims unit that handles high exposure and highly complex cases, achieves goals for top-tier customer experience, employee engagement, loss cost accuracy, and consistent quality claims handling practices, acts as a technical expert and resource for staff, which typically includes maintaining the highest level of authority within department-specific office and the unit. So you're going to be managing their complex claims unit, you guys. That's all you're going to be doing. They are looking for a manager that has the skills of a manager. This job is perfect, you guys. Go pick up the resume rewrite session and rewrite your resume for these skills, okay? For the skills of a manager. It does not matter if you don't have the experience. I have already rewritten your experience. I have already rewritten the skills that you're going to need as a manager. So all you're going to do is literally copy and paste. And like I said, when you get the resume rewrite session, you can rewrite your resume for this and all the positions on my site as a manager within 10 minutes. It is a no pain, no, oh, does this sound right? No, it's not that. It's literally you'll have a professional resume that you can submit for these jobs within 10 minutes, you guys. Okay, so let's get down to the responsibilities. Let's get down to that right now. All right, you guys, so these are the responsibilities. It says develops, manages, and directs staff to ensure the delivery of department-specific products and services, establishes work standards, and monitors progress, hires, develops, and manages staff in order to create a high-performing, results-oriented staff. You guys, so just in those three, all of those skills are listed in my virtual resume rewrite session. Basically, they're asking you to find and develop their staff. It says hire, develop, and manages the staff, you guys. So this is 100% a manager's position, you guys. Like I said, everything, all the experiences, all the skills that you need to be a manager, even if you don't have them, is listed in the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. It says creates and maintain a positive work environment and culture that drives employee engagement and motivation, plans and implements necessary succession plan within the office of unit, ensures personnel receives orientation and initial training, assesses ongoing training needs of staff and arranges technical training as necessary, communicates and implements new and revised policies and procedures within the office/unit, manages performance management program, including establishing and communicating objective, providing ongoing coaching and conducting performance reviews, identifies performance problems and initiates disciplinary actions, manages salary and non-salary budget, makes recommendation to regional headquarters management concerning promotions, terminations, and staff authorization, acts as a technical expert and resource for staff, which typically includes maintaining the highest level of authority within department-specific office unit, refers problems and issues out of authority level to regional HO management, ensures appropriate compliance and alignment with all legislation, corporate policies and programs, may typically conduct desk audits, and you're going to assist with regional management and other departments with new business and renewal presentations and periodic service calls. You guys, they're looking for a manager, okay? They are looking for a manager. You guys, and that's why I wrote everything, and I'm going to keep saying this, even if you have never done those things, even if you have, go pick up the resume template kit, and I have rewritten everything to make it sound so cohesive that you will be a shoe-in for this job, you guys. I've rewritten your experiences, I have rewritten your skills, rewritten your bios, I have done it all, you guys. So if you do have experience, I have rewritten it so that the resume sounds so much better, okay? I have rewritten, if you don't have it, if you don't have any experiences or skills, still take to be honest, I wrote the rewrite session for those that do not have any skills or experience. I rewrote it for you guys, so all you had to do was copy and paste. And for those of you who do have that experience, I rewrote it so it sounds so much better, okay? And all you're going to do is copy and paste off that resume rewrite kit. And I'm going to keep saying that. I am going to keep saying that. All you need to do is have a professional resume that puts your foot in the door for this job, okay? That puts your foot in the door for this job. I have done that for you guys, okay? So you guys, go get that resume rewrite session, the virtual resume rewrite session, and put your application in, you guys. And like I said, it's pain-free, no work, 10 minutes. You guys, they're asking for a plain and simple manager, a manager that is going to basically run their complex claims unit. They're not asking you to have knowledge of the complex claim, or I think they are, just a little bit of knowledge. What they're asking you, can you effectively run and manage a complex unit? If you can, we got you, okay? Because you're not here to actually do the work. You're here to manage other people to do the work. So that's what this job is asking you guys. And like I said, get that resume rewrite session and get to work. 10 minutes, you guys. 10 minutes, you're going to have a professional resume. And what I want you to do, I show you in the resume rewrite session how to tailor your resume. The new resume that you're going to make in the resume rewrite session, I show you how to tailor your resume to this and any other job. Because once you tailor your resume, that is going to put you, that's going to give you an edge, you guys, into what they're looking for. But let's go right now into the qualifications. So the qualifications for this position says the advanced quality, the advanced knowledge of commercial properties, casualty insurance, claims investigation, coverage evaluation, loss assessment, reserving, insurance, legal, regulatory environment, claim processes, application systems and procedures, medical terminology, and finance. So you guys, so they're saying you need some type of knowledge of these things. And I don't think you need knowledge of everything, but some of these things you are going to need knowledge of, okay? And it says other skills required is planning, organization, communication, verbal, written, and presentation, collaborating with others, you guys, diplomacy, tech, business, financial acumen, and adaptability as normally required through a bachelor's degree or equivalent. 7 years of progressively more responsible related work experience. So what they're saying is they want you to have some type of management skills. They want you to have some type of management experience. But what I want you to do, look at this chart. And this chart really blew my mind. So the years of experience of previous hires. So the years of experience, if you guys look at this chart and see that green color on the chart, they hire 56% of people that have less than 2 years of experience. Y'all stop playing. Stop playing. Y'all go put your resume in. Go put your resume in, you guys, for this position. Go put your resume in for this position, you guys, because this position is absolutely amazing, you guys. Absolutely amazing. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session. I put it in a PayPal pay in 4. So all you guys have to do is pay in 4 for that position, you guys. Go put it in, and by the time, like I said, by the time you come up with your next payment, hopefully you should be working, you guys. Okay, you guys, like I said, y'all remember the inspiration of the day. Go get that virtual resume rewrite kit or go get the DIY, but the virtual resume rewrite session gives you more bang for your buck. You will have a professional resume within 10 to 15 minutes, you guys. I rewrote everything for you, and it's now in paying for, because I want you to get these jobs. I want you to have it. I want you to be on my shout outs, you guys. I want you to. Okay, you guys, like and follow for more, and take care of yourself, take care of others. But I am always going to say, if you need to hear it today, I am going to tell you, pour into yourself. Pour into yourself. All right, you guys, like and follow for more. Have a blessed, productive, amazing day. All right.